Welcome to the NGO Marketplace training video. This video will help you in using the Marketplace to its full potential. Here's a summary of what you will learn. How to register a new account on the Marketplace and log into it. How to configure your organization's profile. How to post news items on the public timeline. How to post events on the public timeline. How to find other organizations. How to create partnerships. How to communicate with other users. You can use the chapter marks to jump directly to the topic that you are interested in. Registration and logging in. In order to showcase your organization on the Marketplace and to post updates about the work that your organization is doing, you must first register an account, if you haven't done so already. Click on the Sign Up button to register a new account. When registering a new account, you can choose to create a profile for your organization or to create a personal profile. Please create a profile for your organization if it is not already registered on the Marketplace. If you are working for an organization that is already registered, then please create a personal profile. When registering a new account, you will be asked to provide some basic information. You can always change this information later on. Make sure to write down your email address and your password. These are the account credentials that you will need to log into your profile. If you are registering a profile for your organization, make sure to describe accurately where it is based and which services it provides or requires. This information is used to match you to other organizations that may provide the services that you require or require the services that you provide. If you are already registered on the Marketplace, click on the Login button to log into your profile. In case you have forgotten your password, you can always request a new one by typing in the email address that you have used during registration. An email is dispatched to your inbox containing a link that allows you to request a new password. Make sure to check the spam folder if this email does not arrive. Configuring your organization's profile. The best way to attract the attention of other organizations on the Marketplace is to have a clean, elegant, and up-to-date profile. Luckily, configuring your organization's profile only takes a few moments, and you can do this immediately after registering your account. After logging into the Marketplace, you can view your organization's profile by clicking on the Profile button at the very top, or by clicking on View Profile in the User menu, which appears in the top right corner. The dark column on the left side of your profile allows you to configure the information that is visible to other organizations. This includes your organization's logo, the name of your organization, a description of your organization, your basic mission statement, specific areas that your organization is interested in, the services that your organization provides or requires, your contact information including links to other social media accounts, your contributions towards specific UN goals and declarations, people working for your organization, other organizations that have engaged in partnerships with you. You can edit your profile at any time. Click on any of the edit buttons to change the given piece of information. This makes it easy to keep other organizations up to date about these key facts. When adding a service to your organization's profile, you can publish a more detailed description, including photos or attachments, that let other organizations get a better idea of what you provide or require. When adding a person to your organization's team, you can select either an existing user on the Marketplace or create a new person. In the latter case, their login credentials will be automatically sent to their email address. This makes it easy to create user accounts for each member of your team and to enable them to post news items, events, and project status updates on behalf of your organization. Posting news items. The best way to draw attention to your organization is to submit regular news items about the various issues, projects, initiatives, and events that are confronted and organized every day. In most cases, a sentence or short paragraph is enough to give other users of the marketplace a clear impression of your team's goals and activities. To post a news item, click on either the Post or the Compose button at the center of the marketplace. This opens a small window where you can enter the news item that you wish to post. You can use hashtags to indicate popular keywords or topics. Scroll down to the attachment area to upload photos or documents relating to your news item. Finally, click on Submit to send the item on its way. Keep in mind that news posts need to be reviewed by the Marketplace team before they appear on other users' news feeds. A message appears underneath your new posts while the review process is still underway. Posting events. To post an event, click on the Event button at the center of the Marketplace. This opens a small window where you can enter details about the event that you wish to publish. The title, date, and time are required, while other information such as the address and contact details are optional. Further down below, you may enter a description about the event and upload related photos or documents. Finally, click on Submit to publish the event to the Marketplace calendar. As soon as your event is reviewed by the Marketplace team, it will appear on the Marketplace calendar, which can be opened by choosing Events on the front page. Posting projects. If your organization is conducting longer projects, then you may want to post your projects on the Marketplace. Other users will then be able to see the projects on your organization's profile and track how they are progressing. To post a project, click on the Project button at the center of the Marketplace. This opens a small window where you can enter the name and the description of the new project. Scroll down to the attachment area to upload related photos or documents. Finally, click on Submit to send the project on its way. As soon as your project is reviewed by the Marketplace team, it will appear within the project list on your profile page. Clicking on a project shows all of its status updates at the center of the profile page. When this is the case, you can post a status update by clicking on the Status Update button at the center of the Marketplace. The project that you have selected before appears pre-selected in the project list. Underneath, you can set the project status to either planned, in progress, or completed. Finally, you can enter a status description and upload photos or documents to let others know about the circumstances or developments that caused the status update. Finally, click on Submit to send the update on its way. Finding other organizations. The Marketplace lets you explore the profiles, updates, events, and projects of other organizations in a variety of ways. On the front page, you can select what type of content you want to explore. The options Post, Events, and Updates show news items, events, and project status updates respectively. The options NGOs, People, and Projects let you explore organizations, members of organizations, and the projects that they are undertaking. In either case, you have the choice of showing these items in a detailed mode, as a list, or as a grid. You can also sort them alphabetically or by activity, with the most recently active organizations, people and projects appearing at the top. To make it easier to explore the large amount of posts, events, updates, organizations, people and projects listed on the Marketplace, the filter bar on the left side allows you to filter all of this content by the following criteria. The Place filter allows you to filter all content by continent or by country. The number next to each country and continent indicates how many organizations have been registered there. The Service Provided filter allows you to filter all content by the services provided by the respective organizations. The number next to each service shows how many organizations are providing this service. The Service Required filter allows you to filter all content by the services required by the respective organizations. The number next to each service shows how many organizations are requiring this service. The Contribution Towards filter allows you to filter all content by the contribution made by the respective organizations towards specific UN goals or declarations. The number next to each UN goal or declaration shows how many organizations are contributing to it. The Trending Topic filter shows popular hashtags that have been used throughout news items, event descriptions and project status descriptions. The number next to each tag shows how many posts have been published mentioning the respective tag. While the filters on the left side are active, you can explore a subset of all news items, events, organizations, people, projects and status updates in the central and right areas. Clear all filters to show a full list of content items. When exploring the various news items, events and status updates, you can click on the name of any organization to visit their profile. On the right side, you can see a list of matching organizations. These have been selected based on how closely they match the services provided and required by the profile that you are viewing. Matching services appear highlighted in the list. The most closely matching organizations always appear at the top. The matches are selected based on the geographic region in which the given organization is active. You can switch between regions to expand or narrow down the scope of the search. By visiting your own profile, you can use the list of matches to find other organizations that require services that you provide or provide services that you require. Click on any of these organizations to open their profile and become familiar with their areas of interest, aims, services, and projects. Creating partnerships. When visiting the profile of another organization, you can click on the button Request Partnership to indicate that you would like to show a partnership on both of your profiles. Partnerships enhance your organization's profile and provide a convenient way of indicating cooperation and trust. When a partnership request is made, the other organization can confirm the partnership on their profile, whereupon the partnership becomes visible to all Marketplace users. Communicating with other users. The Marketplace Messenger allows you to send direct messages to other registered organizations or people. To start a conversation, simply click on one of the chat buttons, which appear on profiles, as well as on news items, events, and project status updates. When these users log into the Marketplace, they will be notified by a red and flashing messenger button that they have received a message.